Hello, I'm Kristina Amelong from the Optimal Health Network, and I'm going to talk about the keto diet versus my 10-day diet to optimal health. The keto diet is a high fat diet, very low carb diet. About 70 to 80% of the diet is recommended to be fats, and then 10 to 20% protein, and then the rest carbohydrates. So those are the macronutrient ratios. The 10-day diet is very similar to the keto diet, except it doesn't encourage that you have that high of ratio of fats, a higher ratio of protein. Yes, you want to eat a lot of healthy fats, but not that many. It's really important to be careful about the keto diet, because the keto diet, unlike the 10-day diet, tends to have more negative side effects. With the 10-day diet, you don't necessarily have these negative side effects like the keto diet, like the diarrhea or constipation or headaches or flu-like symptoms, because the 10-day diet is encouraging you to detox along with your dietary changes, and also eating more protein, and then possibly higher carbohydrate ratio if needed. You just definitely, on the 10-day diet, don't want to be having gluten grains, but rice can be okay, as can other non-gluten grains. Also, with the keto diet, they encourage a lot of high-fat dairy, butter, such as these sorts of fats. And you actually, it's much better to have raw dairy, which is part of the 10-day diet, instead of pasteurized dairy, because it's full of the enzymes that are in the dairy to help you digest that, and also to have all the spectrum of the dairies, the cheese, the milk, all of that for feeding the brain, helping the body detox. Raw dairy is a great healthy fat for promoting healthy detox, and also supporting the brain during any kind of lifestyle change like this. Another key difference with the 10-day diet versus the keto diet is that we recommend probiotic rich foods. The probiotic rich foods, such as kefir and kombucha and raw sauerkraut and such, really help to optimize the gut microbes, which are core in well-being, in keeping off the weight that you lose, in detoxing, in supporting the best levels of neurotransmitters, because of the way that the gut is actually the second brain. So that is definitely a very positive part of the 10-day diet that the keto diet doesn't necessarily have. And also that really helps with the part of the keto diet that the Enema Series also supports with the 10-day diet. So with the 10-day diet, we recommend a cleansing protocol, which includes what we call our Enema Series, which is a 3-step process of colon cleansing for A, optimizing the microbiome, B, clearing out toxins in the body, supporting the liver and the gallbladder to do their important work to increase glutathione levels that are really important for optimized detoxification pathways that are part of what is needed to be very well functioning in this process of weight loss and optimizing your well-being by doing these dietary changes. So we highly recommend the 10-day diet over the keto diet. Another reason is because it's just way simpler, way less time consuming to prepare your foods and have the organic grass-fed foods and what you need in your refrigerator without having to focus on measuring your ketones. which can take time and take energy and effort away from the actual work of getting the right macronutrient ratios and all the proper nutrients that you need in your body, and to focus on the detox aspect that comes along with changing your diet like this. So if you are interested in any kind of dietary change, we highly recommend that you reach out to us at Optimal Health Network, and we can be reached via email, or you can call or text us at 608-242-0200. And I do consultations, so you can, if you wish to have one-on-one support, you can fill out an intake form, and we would love to work with you. Thank you very much.